Title: God, the ultimate mystery of faith. Meaning: today, we're delving into the word God. God is a term that signifies the divine, a supreme and transcendent being or force, worshipped and revered in various religions and belief systems. It represents the ultimate mystery of faith. Pronunciation: pronouncing God is simple God, with a soft G and a short O. Use in a sentence. For example, God is the central figure in many religions, providing guidance, purpose, and a source of spiritual strength for believers. Importance: God is a concept that holds deep significance for billions of people around the world, providing a source of hope, morality, and connection to something greater than themselves. Conclusion: in summary, God is a word that represents the highest and most profound aspect of faith and spirituality. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, respect the diversity of beliefs and the profound nature of God in people's lives.